In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a cash flow manager report to PDF in Xero. First, start by logging into your Xero account. Use your usual credentials, and once you're in, make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one. You'll land on the dashboard, which gives a quick snapshot of your finances. From here, we'll head straight to the report we need. Go to the top menu and click Reporting. This is your hub for all of Xero's built-in reports. Inside Reporting, look for Cash Flow Manager and select it. This opens a dedicated area that summarizes how money is moving in and out of your business, which is perfect for quick health checks and sharing with stakeholders. Take a moment to review the cash flow overview on the screen. You should see a clear breakdown of cash coming in and cash going out, often grouped by time periods or categories depending on your setup. Glance over the totals, trends, and any notable spikes or dips. This quick review helps confirm the data looks right before you export it. If something looks off, it's worth pausing to consider whether recent transactions have been reconciled. But for now, we'll proceed with the export. When you're ready, click Export. A small menu will appear with file format options. Choose PDF. PDF is ideal because it preserves the layout and is easy to share or print without changes. After selecting PDF, wait while Xero generates the report. Depending on the size of your data and your internet speed, this can take a few moments. You might see a loading indicator. Don't navigate away while it's processing. Once the PDF is ready, your browser will prompt you to download the cash flow file. If the download doesn't start automatically, look for a Save or Download button on the screen. Choose a familiar folder on your computer so you can find the file easily later, like your downloads or a specific finance or reports folder. Giving the file a clear name with the date can help with version control. Finally, open the exported PDF report on your computer. You can usually do this by clicking the file from your browser's download bar or by opening it from your File Explorer. It will launch in your default PDF viewer, where you can review the layout, verify totals, and confirm everything looks as expected. From here, you're all set to share it with your team, attach it to emails, or archive it for your records. That's it. Your Cash Flow Manager report is now exported to PDF from Xero.